Last week I said it was week 6 of my fashion challenge.
Week 6 of my fashion challenge.
And that was a lie. It was actually week 5. This is actually week 6, but it's also a bit of a lie because I'm not doing fashion today. I have my mid-review for architecture tomorrow, and that's super stressful and it's been a lot of work. Not actually that stressful, I'm a 4th year. I'm almost out of here, but it's been a lot of work. And so instead of a fashion project this week, I wanted to show the process of me building my model for tomorrow's presentation. I already have my camera set up here with my 85mm lens, which is not very good for taking videos, so I'm filming this on my phone. But for my project, which is this whole social club and boutique and art gallery, and I'll go into more of that some other time, but for this whole project, I needed to do a model sort of showing some of the thought process behind what it is that I'm doing. And so this is going to be just a video of me making that. And I'm just gonna call my dad during it and talk to him while I work. So we'll cut to the music here and have a time-lapse video of me building the model. I've already pinned up my board. It's really bright, but these are all my drawings and collages and stuff. I have all these, and then I'll have like a slideshow and video presentation as well. But I wanted to walk through the model itself a little bit. It's a bit crazy. It's definitely not like what other people have. I do have plans and sections in like a digital 3D model of the space. So I didn't want it to be literal in that sort of way. It's more diagrammatic about combining things in one space. I don't really know what else to say about it right now. I need to sleep on it and think of the storytelling aspect later, because a lot of this work is honestly just about storytelling and about saying the right things. It's oftentimes more important to tell a good story than to actually have a good product, which is a little bit problematic at times. But for now, we have at least an interesting product. I don't know if it's good or bad yet, but it's interesting. And I have some dry ice too, so we'll do something with that, I guess. But yeah, it's weird, it's fun. That's all I got. I still need to figure out some of the storytelling component of it, which is why I'm not gonna finish the video now. I'm going to talk a little bit more about it tomorrow after I give the presentation. I need to sleep on it, figure out some of the stuff that I'm going to say, and then once I know that, I'll finish it tomorrow so that I can explain this thing. Also, I didn't say this earlier, but this glass ball is filled with 4 different kinds of jello. Let's see, right here. There. So we got a glass ball, we got dad's like old glasses, other stuff going on here. And hopefully by tomorrow, I'll figure out how to talk about it. It's inspired by Craig Green, which if you haven't heard of him, that's totally okay. He's not famous for anything anyway. But he's a sculptor who has done some collections with Montclair, and he does these really interesting sculptures where everything is sort of rigged and it feels like if one piece were to break, it all falls apart. And so that's what I was going for with this, and I want all my programmatic elements to be absolutely necessary to be in the location that they are in relation to the other elements, and that it's not just something plugged in and that it can be switched out for something entirely different. So it's going through some of the necessity of these spaces through an abstract form. Well, there you go. That's all for week 6 of my fashion challenge. As always, the pictures are on Instagram at jmonse. Next week is spring break. I'm going to Peru, but then I'll be back in like 2 weeks for the next fashion challenge.
We are walking like in a Dolce